Hello, David here, and I wanted to show you a quick video on how I repair screw holes that have become stripped out. These metal screws that I call plastic screws, but what they are is metal screws with a very coarse thread that screw into plastic. Sometimes if you over tighten them, it'll just rip that plastic right out of there, and then you're screwed. Or you can do what I do, and that is to take a heat gun and fill it up with a glue stick. And then you let it cool. You can let it harden and take a drill and drill a little pilot hole. But anyway, I can take a pick and I'll just stick my pick in there and create a little path for the screw to start like that. And it doesn't take long. You can even do it while it's still drying, let's say. And once the glue dries, you know, it's nice and tight. And I'm back to normal. Alright, my little quickie fix video. Thank you for watching.